హాయ్ వ్యూయర్స్, దిస్ ఇస్ సాయి కృష్ణ. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు ఆ టెక్ బై కిట్టు.
ఈరోజు టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి వివోస్ ఫన్ టచ్ OS 10. All users are eagerly waiting for this update. But Vivo didn't tell any leaks on this update. But I gathered the information of Fun Touch OS 10 total features and updates for the Vivo users. Vivo Fun Touch OS 10 is greatly customized OS. Many shortcuts and features included in the Fun Touch OS 10. The Fun Touch OS 10 take the next level experience to the Vivo users. Firstly, I am talking about the features. The Joby homepage has a new look. The new Joby homepage presents all kind of information in front of your eyes. The next feature is add a new telephone secretary. By using this feature, you encounter a call from a strange number or sales number. The next feature is driving scene functions. In this feature, Joby voice, rich shortcuts, smart unlock, caller announcement and etc. Joby IoT upgrade combined with all capabilities. By using this feature, you can operate home and office quick connect devices. Next great feature is for pet lovers. The feature is smart desktop. By using this feature, you can do voice, chat and talk with your beloved pet through voice. Next feature, we all know iManager, but this time in this update we get iHousekeeper. By using this feature, security inspection of mobile phone, intelligent cleanup, screen usage time, counting of your phone usage time, number of unlocks and number of notification received. In the update, Express Center, Quick Launcher application, recorder, calculator, finally interested feature added those for lock screen changing effect, in-display fingerprint effects. The next interesting feature is Joby Smart Recognizer. In this feature, by using the camera what we captures, they recognize. Finally, we discuss about the updates in India. Vivo officially released the Fun Touch OS 10 for the Vivo Next series. But in India, except Vivo Next series, they didn't tell any information about which models get this update. But in China, they released the roadmap for all Vivo models. On this update, I am decoded the Chinese release. Finally, I announced which models get this update in India. All Vivo Next series like Vivo Next 3, Next 3S, Next 2, Next 1. All Vivo S series like S1, S1 Pro. All Vivo Z series like Z1 and Z1 Pro. In V series, V9 Pro, V11 Pro, V15 Pro, V17 Pro get these updates. I hope you all understand this video about the Fun Touch OS 10. If you have any doubts on Fun Touch OS 10, please comment below. For more information, please do subscribe my channel. If you like my video, please like and share. Thank you for watching.